Okay. And I'm so hungry for you, subscribers.
Gets in these hitters' heads of thinking, well, she's coming back with that. Is she going to go curve in on me? Is she
Okay, enough of him.
going to go back to her curve? And you can blame the hitters.
Oh, that is extra bees right there.
Huh? Hello there. My name's Sally. My name is... Hi, my name is Stacy. And I'm not a very good expert, but my mom is Barbie. And I don't really like Barbie that much. I heard that. Okay, I like her. Okay, I like her that much. I heard that. Okay. So, I have blue eyes, so let me move my hair. See, I have blue eyes. Blue eyes just like Scarlett's mom. Actually, I have green eyes like Scarlett. I see I love. Would you like for me to just rub you with my hair and dust you off? Okay, I will do that for you, just in case. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, those are just... Okay, so this is just a puppet. This was just a doll. And this was just a doll. But I need to go get a snack. I'm hungry.
90% off or more. Go to DealDash.com before someone else gets the next deal. So sign up right now. But hurry, everything has to go.
I'm starting to fret. The Explorer. It looks very yummy.
Sports is the thing for our own success and prepare us for our finest moments on and off the court.
Okay. I'm gonna take my banana. Oh. I'm gonna sit down for now.
Super Regional in the Women's College World Series. OU, Alabama, LSU, Michigan in on that side of the ball. Meanwhile, Auburn is in. As is Georgia and Florida.
Oh, this is a little wee. Very, very tiny wee.